Hey guys, welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to install the rear mud flaps. Okay, so I have the mud flaps with me. We'll install it and watch the video till end. I will disclose the price and other details. अरे रुक नहीं ये खोलो मिल जाएगा बस ओके इस पे So guys, I have front mud flaps. Now I have to install the rear mud flaps. Yeah, let's install it. This is how we are going to fix this. Just use the screws. So once it's done, it will give a complete look for the car. Guys, it's installed perfectly. One more screw is there to fit. Let him fix it. Guys, this is fixed perfectly. Yep, and here as well. So mudflaps are installed now. Amazing. So two mudflaps are here. This is for front. As I told, I have mudflaps in the front, so I'm not going to install this. In future I can install. Yeah, I will keep this. Okay guys, now let's discuss about the price. The mud flaps costed me 850 rupees. I bought the mud flaps from JC Road from Jineshwar Automobiles. I will add the link location in the description, so you can contact him and you can buy him. And just important point is there, guys, which you have to note. If anyone is converting the bumper from type 1 to type 3 and you are installing the mud flaps, then you have to buy type 3 type 3 mud flaps, because the bumper is type 3, so you will be required a type 3 mud flaps. So don't forget that. Okay, whenever you are buying, if you have converted your bumpers, then you have to buy the type 3 mud flaps. So don't forget this. I will add the location in the description, so you can purchase from there. If you haven't watched my last episode, guys, the video is available on the screen now. You can watch it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. We'll meet you all in my next episode. Till that, take care.